How do you prevent cavities? Cutting down on the frequency with which you get sugars. If you take a whole bowl of sugar all at once, you get 20 minutes of decay. If you take a teaspoon of sugar and cut it in 10 parts and take 1/10 of that teaspoon every 20 minutes, you get 10 times the decay. So it's the frequency with which you feed the bacteria that produce acid that causes decay. So preventing them is cutting down on sugars, the frequencies of sugars. It's also eliminating as much of the bacteria on the outside of the teeth as you can and in between teeth. And the most important thing is eliminating the reservoirs, the pits and fissures in the tops of teeth that you cannot brush. And once you get contaminated from your parents or your siblings, that's the resource that keeps reseeding bacteria that causes decay.